Walnuts, or brain-shaped nuts, are well known for improving memory and brain function. They are high in fiber, vitamins, carbohydrates, protein, and iron, making them an excellent addition to our diet. Walnuts have numerous health benefits when consumed properly. Walnuts have been dubbed brain food because their furrowed appearance is similar to that of a brain. The irony is that studies have shown that eating walnuts on a regular basis improves brain function. They are simple to incorporate into the diet and are high in nutritional value. They are superior to most other nuts, including almonds, because they contain a high concentration of polyunsaturated fat, vitamins, and minerals such as potassium, iron, zinc, and magnesium. Walnuts outperform all other dry fruits in terms of fiber and antioxidant content. Here are a few of the advantages of walnuts. Use them in salads, on top of desserts, or simply as a snack. The right way to eat walnuts. There is no correct or incorrect way to consume this super healthy nut. Simply including it in your diet in any form is beneficial to your health. This is the best way to eat walnuts. One of the best ways to consume walnuts is to soak them overnight and then consume them in the morning. To do this, soak 2 to 4 pieces of walnuts in a cup of water overnight. Have them first thing the next morning. Soaking walnuts aids in the reduction of bad cholesterol in the body. These are also easier to digest than regular walnuts. Soaked walnuts are easier for your body to absorb nutrients from. Simple ways to incorporate walnuts into your diet. 1. Chutney/spread/dip made with walnuts. To make walnut dip at home, combine roasted walnuts, garlic, lemon juice, oil, pepper, and salt in a food processor. While making the hummus, you can also add some walnuts. 2. Mix them into the stuffing. Simply toast some walnuts and incorporate them into the stuffing of your sandwich or paranthas. 3. Use them as garnish. Toasted walnuts should be ground and stored in an airtight container. You can use them to decorate salads and desserts. 4. Include them in your smoothie. Grind some walnuts with the other ingredients while making your smoothie. Not only will your smoothie taste better, but its nutritional value will improve as well. 5. Toffees with walnuts. Take a handful of walnuts, cocoa powder, and honey. Make a sticky paste with honey and cocoa, then stir in the walnuts and store in an airtight container. These walnut toffees are an excellent snack to have between meals. The advantages of eating walnuts. 1. Diabetics will appreciate it. Many studies show that eating soaked walnuts on a daily basis helps control diabetes. It is ideal for people with type 2 diabetes. 2. Cancer is prevented. Walnuts are high in antioxidants, which help to prevent cancer cell growth in the body. Walnuts are an essential component of a cancer-fighting diet. 3. Aids in stress management. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Including them in your daily diet can aid in the treatment of depression and stress. Soaked walnuts are also beneficial to one's mood. 4. Helps with weight loss. Walnuts are high in calcium, potassium, iron, copper, and zinc. Consuming soaked walnuts boosts metabolism and aids in weight loss. Walnuts also contain healthy fats that keep you feeling fuller for longer, preventing overeating and assisting with weight loss. 5. It promotes better sleep. Walnuts contain melatonin, which can help you sleep better. You will sleep better if you eat soaked walnuts in the morning and before going to bed. 6. It can strengthen your bones and teeth. Walnuts are high in healthy fatty acids and magnesium, both of which are necessary for bone strength and health. 7. Encourages hair growth. Walnuts contain vitamin B7, which is beneficial to hair growth. Consuming soaked walnuts in the morning can help strengthen and lengthen your hair. Lowers cholesterol levels. Soaked walnuts help lower LDL cholesterol levels, which lowers your risk of heart disease. Thanks a lot.